Recoveryfix Backup for Microsoft 365 is an advanced utility that will assist you in restoring your OST or PST files to Office 365 and hosted or on-premises exchange without any hassle. Additionally, you can utilize its advanced filter to restore selective data of your OST or PST files. Let's begin with the step-by-step process for restoring your OST or PST files using this software. Go to the search box, then type Recoveryfix Backup for Microsoft 365 in it, and click Open. On the software's homepage, you can see two options, Backup and Restore. Select the Restore option to proceed with the process. Click on the Add button to add healthy OST or PST files. Browse the location in your system to select the OST or PST files, then click on Open. Once files are added to the software, click on the Connect option to add your Office 365 account. The Choose Login Types wizard shows two login options, Basic Authentication and Modern Authentication. Select Modern Authentication to log in and tap on OK to proceed. On the Login wizard, type your Office 365 account credentials, such as Tenant ID, Client ID, and Client Secret Value, in their respective sections. After that, choose the List All Mailboxes using Above Credentials option, then click on Get User Mailboxes to load all the mailboxes in that account. Once they are displayed, select the required ones and click on Add. Map the destination account using the drop-down list, then click on Set Filter and Migrate. You can restore your files by choosing the desired migration type, such as Mailbox, Archive Mailbox, or Public Folder. Then, press the Migrate option. The software will start enumerating folders of your added files. Once the enumeration process is completed, manually choose the required folders using checkboxes. After that, search for folders, then select required ones and apply different filters such as Date Filter, to select the date range using From and to option. Item Type Filter, to choose emails, journal, contacts, calendar, or appointment for data restoration. Exclude Deleted Folder, to skip deleted folders of Office 365. Exclude Empty Folders, to prevent restoration of empty folders. Select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder. Once all the filters are applied, proceed to I am OK, Start Migration option. It will initiate restoring your files to the added Office 365 account. You can also monitor the progress of the procedure on your screen. Wait for its completion. Once the restoration process is completed, you will receive a pop-up message showing you that the process completed. Please save the report to CSV. Then click on OK to proceed. Now, save the detailed report in CSV format by clicking on the Save Report to CSV option. Type the name of the detailed CSV report file and click on the Save option. Finally, click on OK to end the process. By utilizing these simple steps, you can effortlessly restore OST or PST files to your Office 365 account. For more details about the software, visit the software webpage. Have a great day.